Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by duplicating the background and hiding the original layer so you can always revert. Next, zoom to the word and choose the spot healing brush for small marks or the patch tool for longer text. Make sure Content Aware is enabled on the healing brush. It predicts textures and color. Paint or select the word with a light touch. This first pass removes obvious strokes. Once done, toggle the duplicated layer visibility to compare and confirm you captured the full glyph shapes before proceeding. Now refine edges using the clone stamp. Hold Alt to sample a clean nearby area, then paint on a new layer set to sample. Current and below so your clone stays editable. Match texture direction and grain, rotate your brush when necessary, and reduce opacity for blended transitions. For patterned or gradient backgrounds, use small soft brushes and alternate sampling points to avoid repeating patterns. Make sure to frequently toggle the healing layer and your clone layer on and off to judge naturalness before moving forward. Finish by harmonizing tone and texture. Add a clipped curves or levels adjustment to the clone/heal layers to match contrast, then apply a subtle Gaussian blur or add 1-2% noise if the repair looks too smooth. Make sure to inspect at 100% and at the image display size. If you see repeating artifacts or visible seams, undo a few steps and alternate between clone stamp and spot healing with different sample points. That alternating approach fixes most stubborn mismatches and preserves natural detail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.